How to leverage Claude Opus for system design excellence. In this video, we'll discover how to optimize complex system design using Claude Opus, enhancing your accuracy and efficiency. Let's dive in.
Welcome to our video on leveraging Claude Opus for system design excellence. Did you know that over 78% of design challenges can be mitigated with the right software? Today, we're exploring how Claude Opus can transform your design processes, making them not only efficient but also more accurate. Stick around to learn how you can get ahead of the curve in system design by integrating Claude Opus into your toolkit.
System design is laden with challenges, from managing complexity to ensuring interoperability. Many projects falter because they fail to address these obstacles early on. In this segment, we'll delve into the common hurdles faced by designers and demonstrate how understanding these issues can lead to more successful outcomes. Through real-world examples, we'll uncover the impact of these challenges, setting the stage for how Claude Opus can be a game-changer in simplifying these complexities.
Now, let's explore the core features of Claude Opus that make it indispensable for system design. With its intuitive interface and powerful tools, Claude Opus allows designers to streamline their workflows. We'll cover its integration capabilities, which ensure seamless collaboration with existing tools, and its scalability that accommodates projects of any size. By the end of this block, you'll understand why Claude Opus is the go-to choice for designers aiming for both efficiency and precision. Setting up Claude Opus correctly is crucial for unlocking its full potential. We'll guide you through the installation and configuration process, showing you how to customize settings for your specific needs. Discover the essential tools and plugins that enhance functionality, and learn tips for maintaining optimal performance. With the right setup, Claude Opus becomes a powerful ally in your design endeavors.
One of Claude Opus' standout features is its ability to integrate with other design tools, enhancing your workflow without disrupting it. We'll walk you through the integration process, ensuring compatibility with popular tools you might already be using. Discover the benefits of seamless integration and learn how to troubleshoot common issues. By maximizing tool synergy, you can achieve unparalleled efficiency in your design projects.
Let's explore some inspiring case studies where Claude Opus was instrumental in achieving design excellence. These real-world examples demonstrate the tangible benefits of using Claude Opus, from improved accuracy to increased efficiency. We'll share lessons learned from these implementations and highlight industry-specific advantages. These success stories are not only inspiring but also informative, providing valuable insights into the practical application of Claude Opus in different sectors. Even the best tools can encounter issues. In this block, we'll help you identify and troubleshoot common problems in Claude Opus. Learn effective strategies to resolve issues quickly and discover resources available for support. We'll also share preventive maintenance tips to avoid future problems and insights from the user community that can offer practical solutions. By the end of this segment, you'll be equipped to handle any challenge Claude Opus throws your way. As technology evolves, so does system design. In this forward-looking segment, we'll explore emerging trends that are shaping the future of system design and how Claude Opus is spearheading innovation. We'll discuss the impact of AI and machine learning on design processes, the growing importance of sustainability, and how you can prepare for future challenges. Claude Opus is not just keeping pace with these changes, it's leading the charge.
Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into leveraging Claude Opus for system design excellence. We've covered everything from understanding complex challenges to exploring future trends. Now, it's your turn to implement these insights and take your design projects to the next level. We invite you to join the conversation in the comments below and share your experiences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on system design excellence.